Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all in today's class, and the topic of today's class is hub. As in the previous class, I just have taught you how to configure routers, how to configure PCs, and the working of routers and PCs. And we have checked in the previous class that how to send the packet and check the successful configuration of those PCs and those routers, either they are working or not. And in today's class we are going to study about hub. So here is a bar and a window from where you can pick the devices. So there goes a hub device. We are just clicking on that device, and to pick the hub you just have to click this generic hub. This generic hub can be used for all type of devices. So by clicking that device and by dragging that on the simulation window, I have just put it a hub over here. Now what I am going to do is I have to connect 6 PCs over here with the hub. Why? I will tell you that. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, let's check the properties of hub. By clicking the hub, it will be open, and here comes the simulation window of the hub. You can see that here are 6 of the ports. Hub has 6 ports, so we need 6 PCs to configure this hub. We can either use two hubs to maintain 12 PCs, we use 3 of hubs to maintain 18 PCs, and like this so on. You can increase the number of PCs as you need it, and by increasing the number of hubs you can maintain your network. Now what we are going to do is we are just making a connection between these PCs and hub by just cabling, as we taught in the previous class that to connect two different type of devices we use straight cable. So there goes the straight cable, and this is PC and this is hub. So these devices are totally different from each other, so we are going to use straight cable over here. So by clicking on this wire, I will just pick it and click on the hub port 0, and it will be connected. Now it is connected with only PC1. To connect it with PC2, I have to click on that hub again, and port 1 PC2, port 3 port 2 PC3, port 3 PC4, and up to throw on till your PCs are completed. So there goes our connection is now has just been built. Now there you can see, here you can see that all the lights are green. It means that hub is in working process, that you can send packets or something like that. You can perform your task over here because it is in working process. It is just switched on. By clicking on the hub button, hub menu, you see here that here is a button of on and off. You can switch off it if you don't want to send packets or if you don't want to simulate that hub. So by clicking this button, now see here all the lights are turned red. So it means that hub is just turned off and there is no communication between these PCs and this hub. By clicking this switch off button on, you can see that all the lights are turned green right now. So what we are going to do next is, we have to assign IPs to PCs to configure a network. So in the previous class I just have taught you that how to assign a IP to a PC. So by clicking that PC, going to desktop menu, going to IP configuration, you can just give the IP over here. So 10.10.10.1. I have just assigned an IP of class A at PC 0. By clicking the tab button, there comes its subnet mask. So now going to PC1 desktop IP configuration. Here I am just giving an IP of 10.10.10.2. By clicking the tab button, there comes the subnet mask of that PC, same as PC2 IP configuration 10.10.10.3. By clicking the tab button, here comes the subnet mask of this PC2. We will assign the IP of 10.10.10.4 over here. Sorry, this IP is repeated. Okay, 10.10.10.4. There goes the subnet mask, and again on PC5 IP is 10.10.10.5 and this is the last PC, so there comes the IP 10.10.10.6. so now you have just seen that all the PCs are assigned with their respectable IPs. So what we are going to do next is just to check that all PCs are being communicated with each other and with hub or not. So we have to do is pick a packet from here, drop it over PC0, and this is your desire that to which PC you want to send this packet. So I am just trying to send this packet to PC5. So there you can see that there comes a successful message that PC0 from PC0, source is PC0 and destination is PC5. The packet has just been successfully sent. There comes a second method where you can check the processing of hub2. Here is a simulation window. This is in real time. This window is just in real time now. So I want to check the processing of hub2, so I have to switch this window to simulation mode. So there is a simulation button. So by clicking that on that, sorry, I have to just close it. Now you can see that this window is in simulation mode. So I am going to send this packet again to PC from PC0 to PC5. As you can see that PC0 is sending packet to PC5. Now this packet will go toward the hub and hub will receive this packet and will check that to which PC0 want to send this packet, and then that packet will be forwarded from hub to PC5. By clicking on this button, capture and forward button, you can see that this packet was sent successfully on hub. Now hub has just received the packet successfully. Now this hub will send this packet to the destination, which was PC5. By clicking this capture and forward button again, you will see that this hub just sent that packet to all of these PCs. But what was our destination? Our destination was PC5. So this hub has just sent the successful packet to PC5, and all these 4 PCs are just telling that we haven't received any of the packet because PC0 desired to send his packet to PC5. So these PCs will not receive that packet because that packet was just sent to PC5. So this is how this hub and all PCs being configured, and they work in a principle. Now to check the acknowledgement, to PC5 will send the acknowledgement back to PC0 that I have received your packet successfully. I have to click on the capture button again, capture forward button again. Now you can see that PC5 has just sent an acknowledgement to hub and hub has received that acknowledgement. Now this hub will send that acknowledgement packet to PC0 again, so that PC0 will come to know that PC5 has just received my packet and he just sent me back the acknowledgement that he has received my packet successfully. So by clicking on this capture and forward button, this hub will again send that acknowledgement packet to PC0. So now you can see that PC0 has received that acknowledgement packet. It meant that these all PCs are successfully connected with each other, and this PC0 has sent a packet to PC5 was successfully sent over there. Now what is next is we are just going to see this. We can just repeat this work as we just want to create another simulation window. So if you want to connect more PCs, you can connect another hub over here, and by connecting that hub with more 6 PCs, you can create a network of 12 PCs. So this is all it, how hub just work. So I will just stop this and come back to real-time window. By clicking on this real-time window, I will be back on real-time window simulation mode. So now what I'm going to do is I will just check that either this PC is connected with all these PCs or not. So what I am going to do is I will just open the PC0 and go to desktop and go to command prompt. By going on the command prompt, I will just type here a command of ping. I will just shortly ping this PC with that PC which I want to ping. So I have to give an IP of that PC which I want to check that either that PC was connected with this PC or not. So I want to check that PC3 is connected or not. So I have to give here the IP which was assigned on PC3. So 10.10.1 was assigned over here, so 10.10.10.2 is here, dot 3 is here, so dot 4 will be here. So I have to type the IP of this PC over here, which is 10.10.10.4. so on PC 0 I have to give the IP of PC 3, so 10.10.10.4. by pressing the enter button you can see that there comes a reply. These reply messages are from PC3 that yes, this PC0 is connected with me. Okay, so this is it, today's lecture. We will discuss switch in the upcoming class, so please don't try to miss that class. Inshallah we will meet in the next class. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.